Hey YouTube, I'm just making this quick video, and if you are wondering why you walk into your garage, you hear a chirping noise and you can't figure out where it's coming from, probably 99% of it, it's your garage door opener. The battery needs to be replaced. I went up there, I removed that cover right there, and I'll get back up there in a minute and show you, and took the battery out and wrote down the part number and went online, ordered a replacement one. This is the battery that came out, and I ordered this one. It's pretty much the same thing, it's just under a different name, and it's just two wires that snap together, a positive or negative, and that's about it. It's super easy, and I'm going to show you how to change it out. All garage door openers will be a little bit different. My battery just happens to be right here, and it's right behind that cover. All you have to do is remove that one little screw, and the cover just pops off. And I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, when you take the cover off, it should have the part number of the battery. And let me set this down. Mine's a 41A6357-1. So I did not get the Chamberlain one. I just bought an aftermarket one, and it was just much cheaper. So this is where the battery goes. This is the compartment, and pretty much your negative cable and your positive. And I'm going to snap those onto the battery right now. Okay, I got the connectors back on, and pretty much all you do is just push the battery back in. Put your wires back in. Kind of hard to hold the camera and do this at the same time. And pretty much your cover just goes up. There's a little lip, and then you just put the screw back in right here. Okay, I got the screw back in, and pretty much let me put the light bulb back on. Put the cover back up now, and I'm done. Okay, I'm all done. I just wanted to say thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful, and please give me a thumbs up, and heck, even subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more other videos with house stuff. If anything comes up, I try and post videos on how to fix it. Okay, other than that, take care. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you again soon in the next video.